Welcome back to Maze Ways. I'm Kevin. I'm actually in the driver's seat this time. We are in Greece, just outside the city of Patras, which is on the western edge of the Peloponnese Peninsula. Today we're going to be crossing the Rio-Antirrio Bridge. This beautiful bridge opened in 2004, just one day before the opening of the 2004 Athens Summer Olympics. In fact, a week before it opened to traffic, torchbearers were the first to actually cross the bridge on their way to Athens. This is one of the longest cable-stayed bridges in all the world at 2,883 meters long, or about 1.8 miles. We've seen a couple of these already in some of my other videos. For just a couple minutes ride, this bridge is a convenient alternative to taking a 45-minute ferry across the Gulf of Corinth. It'll cost you though. It set us back nearly €14 for a regular car, and the price goes up from there. Don't forget to use your controls or device to look around as we cross the remainder of this bridge. This is the fourth pylon we've passed under on this bridge, which is a little unusual for this type of bridge that normally has two. But again, the overall length of this bridge has a lot to do with that. Our toll booth lies ahead, so I'm going to say goodbye. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and let me know in the comments below if you've been able to see this bridge in person. Bye now.